Hi beloved people, my name is Esther and I'm excited to be your One Step Course Manager for 2019. One Step is a 10-week residential program. It is intercultural. It is a fun space for young people where they connect and interact. They get to learn about the different cultures since they come from very diverse communities. We take students from all over the world for 10 weeks. In this program, they are empowered and equipped to be the perfect disciples of Jesus Christ, not just by word, but in action and in their daily lives. We do this in 3 parts, that is identity, their purpose, and their vision. If anybody learns those things to the core, then they are perfectly equipped for this world. Stay put. We've got 10 weeks loaded with insightful teachings, healing sessions, food, fun, teamwork and team building activities, games, charity work, outreach, and much more. Until you know exactly who you are and what you have been born for, you will definitely be unapologetic about living a very fulfilled life. Now, One Step Season 4 is here, and you do not want to miss this. If you haven't signed up yet, what are you waiting for? Registration is currently going on, and you can sign up on our website, or you can give us a call on the numbers on the screen. Reach us on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. We shall be waiting for you. In case of any inquiries, call or send an email to us. Don't miss out. Join the movement today.